Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to read one of your ORT reader, The Egg Hunt, page 1 till 7. So let's start together. So this is the title of the book, title page, The Egg Hunt. Here we can see Wilma is in the garden. She is holding a bag of sweet eggs in one hand, and from another she is putting an egg in the flower. There are some eggs under the plant. A bird is sitting on the arm of the bench. So students, this is the first page of your book. Here we can see there are 5 characters in the picture. Wilf and Wilma with their mother and Kate with her mother. They all are standing in the house. Kate's mom is holding bags in her hand and she is passing one of these bags to Wilma's mom. Kate seems excited. Let's read the text. Kate came to stay. We can infer after reading the text that Kate came to stay at Wilma's house to spend some good time together. She has brought her bags containing her daily stuff. Here we can see Mom and Kate are sitting on the chair facing each other. Right in front of them there is a big cake on the table. Mom is helping Kate to decorate cake with little eggs. The frosting of the cake is green. There are 3 toy chicks in the center of the cake with little eggs along the boundary. It seems that they are making fun on the cake. Wilma is standing beside Kate. Wilf is wiping a plate with a cloth, but his whole attention is towards Mom and Kate decorating the cake. And let's read the text. Mom and Kate made a cake. Kate put little eggs on it. Here you can see all characters of the story. Father, Mom, Wilma, Wilf and Kate are in the kitchen. Wilma is holding a bag of sweet eggs in her hand. She is in a deep thought. Father is standing beside Wilma, leaning against the kitchen cabinet. He is holding a mug in his hand. Mom is sitting on the chair while Wilf and Kate are standing near the dining table. Kate is cheering on completion of her beautiful farm cake. Let's read the text. Wilma looked at the little eggs. She had an idea. There are pots of plant near the window. There are mugs, teapot and set of knives hanging on the hooks. A toaster, pot and plate are on the slab in the kitchen. Let's move to the next page. Here, in this picture, Wilma and father are standing on the pavement in the garden. Wilma is holding a bag of sweet eggs in her hand. She is in a deep thought. Father is looking at Wilma. He is trying to figure out what Wilma is going to do. A statue of guitarist with dog is at the center of the park. A lady in blue coat is walking in the garden near the blue bench. A dog is running. Squirrels are wandering in the garden. We can see houses behind the park. And let's read the text. Wilma went to the park. She wanted to hide some eggs. So, this is an assessment for you. Question number 1. Who came to stay at Wilma's house? And you know the answer. Who came? Yes, Kate came to stay at Wilma's house. What did Mom and Kate make? And we all know Mom and Kate made a cake. How did Mom and Kate decorate the cake? They decorated the cake with sweet eggs and toy chicks. So, we will do the rest in the next video. Take care and Allah.